so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hello! Hey, it's me, Blippi. And look at where we're at. Yeah, we're at the Funtastic Playtorium in the Tacoma Mall in Washington. Let's go! Wow! Hey!
Blippi, have fun.
Yeah, let's go! First thing we have to do is take off our shoes. 1 shoe. 2 shoes. See you later. Whoa! Check it out. Whoa! That was fun spinning around. Hey, a piano. Wasn't that awesome? Yeah. Whoa. Looks like we have a circle thing. That maybe if we sit in here, we can turn around and go upside down. Whoa. I just went upside down 1 time. Hey, a slide. All right, here we go. Whee! Oh, and last but not least, let's keep spinning. Whee! Whoa! I love spinning. Whoa! Whoa! I am so dizzy. Whoa! 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 Check it out! Yeah! I'm shooting these balls out of this toy gun. Whoa! Go on the other side and let's see if I can hit the target. Whoa! That was awesome! I didn't hit the target, but I was certainly close. Hey, speaking of targets, look, right up there. Whoa! Do you see the colors of the target? Yeah, from the outside in, there's red, yellow, green, purple, blue, and red again. Hey, do you know what the very center of the target is called? That is called the bullseye. Yeah! Woo! Woo! Whoa! Look at all these balls! Wow! Whee! All right, I have an idea. Let's put them right in here. And here we go! That was so cool! The air blew the balls up. Yeah, from the bottom up to the top. Okay, I have an idea. Let's see how many balls I can hold. Oh, I dropped one. All right, let's see the final number. Did you see that? 2 just fell out. So we'll start at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls. Wow, that's a lot of balls that I was carrying in my hands. All right, let's see what colors they are. Here we go. There's red, purple, and orange. Whoa, and you know what I can do with 3 balls. Yeah, here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Hey, check it out. I'm balancing on these circular things. Whoa, wait a second. What is this? This is a spiky ball. Woohoo! Hey! All right, I'm gonna spin it really fast. Whoa! Okay, now fast the other way. Whoa! Okay, now I'll spin it really slow. Ready? Woohoo! That looks so cool. Here we go. Woohoo! Okay, come on. Okay, check it out. I'm balancing on the cactus spines. Ow, 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 ow. Whoa, look at these.
Oh, I can barely fit in them. I'm getting squished.
Whoa, wow. Yeah, these are 2 big orange cylinders. Here I come. Ah. Ah. Oh, I did it! Whoa. Oh, okay, let's continue on. Whoa, look at this! It looks like a swing. Whee! Whee! This is so much fun. It's kind of relaxing. Oh, have you ever been on a swing before? Yeah, like at the park, the playground. Yeah, they're really fun. See how I'm keeping my momentum by leaning forward when it goes forward, forward, forward. Now I'll lean backward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. Whoa! That's awesome. Okay, let's continue this way. Okay, now I'm gonna try and jump over this spinny cylinder. What colors are these, first of all? Yeah, they are blue and yellow. All right, here I go. Whoa. Oh, that was silly. Whoa, hey, check these out. Yeah, you balance on them. Let's look at the colors. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, all right. These kind of look like targets, don't they? Yeah. Okay, what colors are these? There's 2 of my favorite colors on this. Yeah, let's start from the outside and go inward. So, this is the color orange. Yeah, you knew that. What color is this? Yeah, yellow. And this center circle, it's the color blue. Yeah, 2 of my favorite colors, blue and orange. Okay. More balancing. Whoa, wow. Blue and orange balancing steps. This is so cool. Wow, more challenges. I love challenges. Here I go. Whee! Whoa! I'm spinning. Here I go. Whoa! Okay, let's count how many times I spin on this last one. Ready? Here I go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Wow. Now I'm all dizzy. Whoa. 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 All right. Now it's time for me to balance. Whoa. 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 Do you see how it spins? Makes it really hard to stand on top. Okay. Here we go. Whoa. All right, here I come. Red, green, gray. Whoa, look at these. Yeah, we have a yellow tube and a whitish gray tube. Whoa, whee. Whoa. Yeah, all right, come on. Hey, look at this. Hey, if you spin it to the right, it looks like this. That's actually the direction that analog clocks spin. This is called clockwise. Yeah, do you see that? Wow, and check this out. Whoa, we're going the opposite way. Yeah! This is spinning it to the left. See? Left. Left. And this is called counterclockwise. Whoa! Come on! Whoa! Here it comes! Whoa! Oh, here we go. Oh, okay, come on. Whoa. All right. Let's say the colors. Red, gray, green. Oh, wait a second. I just said green. This isn't the color green. What color is this? Yeah, this is the color orange. But hey, look over here. I'm so silly. This is the color green. Let's try that again. Ready? Orange, green, red, gray. Good job. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Look at it. It's like a web. Whoa. Look. It's like I'm an insect in a spider web. Oh! Whoa! That's silly. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Good job! Woo! Check it out. Yeah, what is this? Whoa! This is a slide. Yeah, I love slides because you start at the top and gravity helps pull you down to the bottom. And depending on how steep it is will determine how fast you go, as well as a lot of other things like friction and wind speed and drag and all that stuff. Anywho, but for now, I bet I'm gonna go really fast. Here I go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Yeah! That was awesome! I love sliding down this slide. It is so fast! And I love learning. Woohoo! I love jumping on a trampoline. Woohoo! Hey, check it out. I'm gonna jump really high. Whoa! 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 Okay, now I'm gonna jump really low. Yeah. Woo! Woo! This has been so much fun playing and learning. Woo! Yeah! Did you have fun? Yeah, I did too. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. All right. See you again. Bye-bye. Whoa! Yeah!
Come on, everyone. Let's make learning fun. So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!